Hello, welcome back. 欢迎回来. This is the traditional festivals. Today I'm going to introduce the second festival, Lantern Festival. It is called 灯节 in Chinese. Here, 灯 means lantern. It has another name called YuanXiaoJie. I will explain in the next slides why it's called YuanXiaoJie. It has a third name, a traditional name people usually talk about is 正月15. Here, 正 means first. 月 means month. So first month of the year, 正月 almost equal to January. 正月. Here are two numbers. The first one is 10, means 10. 5 means 5. When you combine 10 and 5 together, 15 means 15. So this is the 15th of the first month of the year, January 15th. 正月15, according to Chinese calendar. The reason it's called Yuan Xiao Jie is because actually it means the first full moon night in the year. Here, Yuan means beginning, first. Xiao means night, so first night that has a full moon in the whole year. Yuan Xiao. As I mentioned in the last video, the food for Spring Festival is dumpling and rice ball. Dumpling for northern China, rice ball for southern China. Here, for the Lantern Festival, the whole China people eat rice ball. However, the name of the rice ball in southern and northern China different. For northern China, it's called Yuan Xiao. Exactly the same like the name of the festival, Yuan Xiao. But for southern China, people call it Tang Yuan. The reason it has different name because the culture are a little bit different, the technique to make this rice ball are different, and the ingredient inside are different. Lantern Festival is almost the end of the New Year celebration. People usually go back to work after this day. So people do a big celebration and do a lot of activities during this festival. The first thing people do is 赏花灯. 赏 means enjoy. 花 means flower. So 花灯 means flower lantern. This means very beautiful lantern. Make with different shape, different color. Very nice. And if you see that, there is a piece of paper hung at the bottom of the lantern. Here on here is written some riddle, some tricky questions for people to guess. So this is the second activities we usually do during Lantern Festival, called 猜灯谜. 猜 means guess. Guess lantern riddle. So whenever you could figure out this, you can go ask the owner of this lantern that I got it, and then you will get an award. Maybe they will give this lantern as a gift to you. Usually people go with friend or whole family, walk on the street. You will see a lot of beautiful light on the street. You can also hang very nice lantern in your house or in your apartment. Why people do this? Make the street very light in the night with this beautiful 花灯. We have a story about it. In ancient time, Chinese believe there is a kingdom or a lot of fairy and god living in heaven, on top on the sky. So there's an emperor we call Yu Di. So for some reason he is angry. He won't punish the human being. So he decided to send someone, actually make a big fire to burn the people and the earth. However, the fairy was sent to do this mission was really kind, and she doesn't want to do this bad thing to the people. So she tells people in advance, saying, on the 15th of the first month, I'm going to burn your house everywhere on the earth. Be careful. People start to think, what shall we do to avoid this disaster? Then a very smart guy, his name is Dongfang Shuo. In Chinese history, he is a very wise guy. He said, let's make fire by ourselves instead of being burned by the god. So they designed very nice light, and they do firework, burn firecrackers in the 15th of the first month. So when the god or the emperor from heaven sent the army go to burn the whole human beings community, they saw from the sky that everywhere is in fire. Okay, they are burned. We don't need to do this. So people could successfully avoid or escape from this big fire. After that, it became a tradition that people do the same thing every year on the 15th of the first month. Another activity people do during this time, when you go to the street, you don't just see the beautiful light or lamp. You also see a lot of people dancing on the street. The first thing is Shua Long Deng. Shua means play, dance. Long means dragon. As you know, dragon is a symbol of China and Chinese. We love dragon. It's a good animal for us. So people dance with the dragon. You see they grab a stick to hold the dragon's head and the body and dance with the music. Shua Long Deng. At the same time, we also do Wu Shizi. Wu means dance. Shizi means lion. You can see the one guy was in the middle, have something to attract the lions. And one guy, actually two person was inside. One is standing and grab the head of the lion. And he can see through the eyes part and dance. And the other guy actually bent to make the back part of the lion. It's a hard job. So after this dance, people got very tired. A lot of people actually trained for this for many, many years to be able to do so. The next activity we call it Cai Gao Qiao, means someone step on a high stilt. You see they actually tie a very high wooden stick underneath the foot. People walk with different makeup, different beautiful clothes on the street. You can see that it's very high and very hard. When I was a little child, I really like to watch them walk. But it's really a hard job. Okay, so people do 赏花灯, 猜灯谜, 耍龙灯, 舞狮子, 踩高跷 during YuanXiaoJie. So they do this activity. Of course, there is more activity than this, but I guess this is enough for today. And the next word we learned in last video, 快乐 means happy. When you want to say Happy New Year, you say 新年快乐. Here you can put the festival name in front of 快乐. 元宵快乐 means happy 元宵节. Okay, thank you for watching. 元宵快乐 everybody. Bye.